Today is Peter's birthday. We are going to celebrate his birthday. We are going to arrange a surprise party for him. Let's watch what happens next.
Dad, do you know what date is today?
Yeah, it's 5th March. I have an urgent meeting with my boss.
Mama, do you remember today is 5th March?
Of course I remember. Your uncle is coming today. I have to do a lot of work.
Emily, do you remember today is?
Please, Peter, don't disturb me. I'm studying for a test.
No one remembers my birthday. I'm very unlucky.
A surprise birthday party for Peter would be very exciting for him.
Sure, he will be happy.
Now think, how to arrange a party. I mean, what will be needed for the decoration of the room, and who are to be invited to the party.
The most important thing is the birthday cake, candles, and gifts. I will give him a laptop as a birthday gift, and you should buy a bicycle for him.
I think the laptop is not a suitable gift for him. He is not so big now. What do you think?
You are right, but, as you know, we intend to have online classes for him. I think he will use it for online classes.
That's right. Well, let's make a list of the items I've to buy from the market.
I will make the birthday cake and some cupcakes at home. You can buy balloons, birthday decorations, candles, confetti, and birthday hats.
Who will decorate the room for birthday celebrations?
Emily is good at decorating. I'll help her. Together, we can do that.
Dad, I will decorate the room.
Okay, my sweetheart, you're a good girl.
Who will be invited to the party? Nival, Andrew and Nick are his close friends. I think Peter will be happy to see his friends here.
Yeah, we should invite them. Will you call him, or I shall make a call?
Daddy have already invited Nick and Andrew. I also contacted Nival. He said that he couldn't attend the party. His family has a plan to visit their grandparents.
What about Sarah, Emily? Have you invited her?
How can I forget Sarah? She is his best friend. I called her and told her all about the plan.
Where is Peter?
He is with Sarah at her home.
Have you told Sarah when to take him here?
They will arrive at 5 o'clock. I hope all of his friends would have reached until that time.
Okay, I gotta go to the market, and you should get things ready at home.
Well, I gonna bake the cakes.
Mama, should I help you in the kitchen?
No, sweetheart. I can do it myself. You should start decorating the room.
But Mama, I can't do it now.
Why?
I will decorate the room after Dad returns because there is no material to decorate the room with.
Oh, right. Let's come to bake the cakes.
Mama, I don't know how to bake a cake.
It's so simple, you can easily do it. But today, let me bake it, because it's a birthday cake and it will be served to the guests.
What ingredients are used?
You need eggs, baking powder, flour, and the flavor you like. I will make chocolate cake. I will also use some chocolate.
Yes, you must use chocolate. Chocolate cake is Peter's favorite. Mama, how can I help you?
Beat these eggs until they become foam.
Mama, it's done. Mama, Dad is back from the market.
Okay, go. I'm coming to help you.
Dad, did you get all the items?
Yes, I did my job. Now, it's your turn. Should I help you?
Of course, Dad. Mama, the stage is ready.
Wow, fantastic. All of his friends have arrived. Where's Peter and Sarah?
They are on the way. They will arrive in 5 minutes.
As they arrive, shoot the confetti and start signing a birthday song.
Okay, Mama.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. It's your special day. You turn 6 years old. It's your special day. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. It's your special day. Happy birthday to you. I hope you've liked the video. Please comment, share, and subscribe for more videos.